You're not even eating it. What are you doing? Eat it. Eat it now. Eat it.
Don't feed me out of your bag.
What's up, C&J Vibers? This your girl, Candice.
This your boy, Jordan.
And today we are back with another challenge.
Alright, y'all. So if you haven't noticed, today we have hot flaming chips that, man, I don't even know. They're just hot.
These are the Paqui, the Paqui,
Manny Pacquiao.
Okay, Paqui.
That's a box.
Paqui. I feel like we're getting closer.
Paqui? Am I colder?
Paqui.
We're getting colder, but these chips are hot. so you want to make sure.
So yes, guys. So today we're going to be trying these haunted ghost pepper chips. These are real peppers, real heat, and it has like a little burning hot meter. And y'all, this thing says they are freaking hot. It is all the way over here. Now I was looking for that one ghost pepper chip, like the one chip challenge, but Amazon didn't have them. They were sold out, and I wasn't gonna buy a pack of 10 when we only need 2. Right now we're gonna try these, and I guess this is going to tell if we're gonna end up doing the other ones or not, because
more than likely no. So enjoy this challenge, guys.
Jordan said he took out, so he gave me the one with all the crumbs in it. But let's get into the video.
Nah, I ain't feel nothing, but it just felt weird.
It don't smell bad.
It don't, actually. I'm actually ready to taste one.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm hungry.
Alright, baby, we can't eat these like they got sauce on.
Come on. Ready? Toast to me.
Toast? Your chip is a little bigger, but I know you're gonna take probably this. I got you. I ain't gonna leave my girl behind. I got you.
Eat it, man. Come on.
We need some milk.
No.
What you want, baby? Some orange juice?
Orange juice.
Orange juice? Okay.
Baby, look. I could have got a cup.
I'm good. Man, man, they should have gave me the ghost pepper.
The top felt like.
Well, I do need a little bit of juice. And no, it is a little sizzly, baby. Let me see. Let me get a little swig here. Shout out to Simply Orange. This ain't bad.
Okay. One down. One down.
How many we doing? Baby? Like, is there like a number?
We're gonna see who tap out.
Okay, how many you ate so far? 1?
1.
Okay. 2.
Get a big enough cookie.
Bad.
Like all those whole cookies.
That big enough cookie. This a hot ass cookie. Let me. Damn, baby. Alright.
Ready?
Alright, ready? Let's go. I ain't gonna lie, this is getting a little hot, yo. I'm sweating a little bit. Baby, my thing big as hell. I'm gonna eat half.
Yeah, I'll eat that.
Well, we are cool.
Alright, 3.
Yo, she trying to show out and show out and show out. Let me show out.
I hate these challenges, y'all. 4.
4. That's 4, baby. For real. You ready to tap out?
It looks like you have. Yeah. That went for me. 5. Call your number out, just eat. That's
5.
the camera don't lie.
Can you take intervals, like little breaks in between?
Come on. 6.
Wow.
Seven.
You eating them like they're Doritos. Seven. I'm still not done with the 6. Oh, it's staying in my mouth, man. It hurts so bad.
8.
Are you swallowing, baby? Or are you just eating?
If I did not swallow, I'm gonna die.
8. 8. You get a chip taken away because you drank. I'm glad, baby. Now let me get some of that juice, baby.
You got, oh my god!
I ain't got no juice in here. I just got a little sweet.
Yeah, man.
Alright, there we go. That's good for the challenge.
But that,
You know we need that juice, baby, for the morning when we making some food. When we make some breakfast. Baby, why you ain't taking no break? Got my hands sweat.
oh! Oh!
I am appalled at you. I'm trying to say my mom just hot ass shit in my mouth. It's hot as fuck, man. But I ain't tapping out, baby. I ain't tapping out. We gonna eat the whole bag.
You're lying. I'm way past you.
What's your count?
Like 13 and 14. I'm gonna stop until you get up there. You're not
11.
even there. No. No. You cheated. You're like at 8.
Okay.
Let's see him swallow it. Why is the refrigerator open? My makeup color. Be a gentleman. Tap out. Oh my god, you over here leaking, yo.
Ain't no tap out. Ain't no tap out. We ain't tapping out. This ain't a tap out. This ain't a tap.
Your body done tapped out. Let it go.
This
Like
ain't a tap out family. We don't tap out in this family.
Here we go.
I ain't tapping out. We're gonna have to eat this whole bag of hot chips. Nah, I'm about to tap out, baby. I ain't gonna fuck with this.
Alright, that's cool.
See, that's what makes me want to keep going. I ain't tapping out.
They hungry good now. You're not even eating. What are you doing? Eat it. Eat it now. Eat it.
Don't feed me out of your bag.
Your eyes is red.
Why you throwing off?
Red.
Why you throwing off? Okay, if we do tap out, say for instance we do tap out.
Then I win. You want to do it together? Does that make you feel better?
If you want to, yes. Yeah.
Alright, y'all. Alright, 1. We both gotta say it on 3.
Now don't fake your ass.
Jordan! See,
Alright.
you're the only weirdo that think like that. On 3, tap out.
One.
Alright. That's what we say.
1, 2, 3.
Tap, Jordan, please. No.
Babe, you
Oh
ain't
my
gonna step out.
God. No.
Yo.
No, he didn't even look at me this whole. I said it. God. Team Candice all day. Let's keep going. Exactly.
You wanna keep playing with me? You can't use my ice, baby?
No. Alright, y'all. I'm tapping out.
I'm tapped out. I'm done.
That's my stomach's starting to hurt.
I'm done. Yeah, I can't do it no more, baby. You know how your stomach's so messed up or your body's so messed up, you don't know how to function or you can't function right and you just talking.
It's like those were good. Those chips weren't like that bad, but after a while, like your lips is like burning. They kind of taste similar to like hot Doritos or whatever, like the Flamin' Hot. Oh God, I can't.
Nah, they a little hotter than that, baby. I think we overdid. I think we outdid it. I think that's one of them type of things where you gotta wait for the effect.
Yo, look at Jordan. Look at Jordan's nose. Do y'all see that? Turn your head that way.
I can't think these hot chips you got me eating.
Y'all see that? That boy is sweating. Alright,
It's on my mind. Alright.
thank you. Oh, sorry, Randy. Alright, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. We hope you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys give us, how many likes, baby, again?
250. That's the goal.
250.
That's what we're looking to get, y'all. 250.
250.
Don't mind me. I'm still recovering.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My stomach hurts. Like, my stomach is bubbling.
My girl acting like bionic woman over here. Acting like ain't nothing happening. She got no sweat. Makeup still right.
It's still. I ain't gonna lie about these chips, y'all. We done had these chips since April. Here it is, September. So I've been scared to eat these chips because it just, y'all already seen the hot noodle challenge. It just did not go well. Like, and this wasn't that bad. Like, Jordan is like, no. But
we gotta take a break from the hot noodle for
it's not that bad. This is morning freaking high. I would say that on a scale, I would have gave this like a hot.
I would have given it a super hot.
I feel like, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, when I first ate them Flamin' Hot Doritos, the ones, ooh, y'all, them things took me down. Like, I was like, ooh.
You talking about the red ones that just red when you...
and they're so good. I love them. But yeah, so if you guys want to see more challenges like this, make sure you comment down below and write down Team Candice, because you know Team Candice came through with this challenge and took it home for the crew. All right,
I give it this one, y'all. I give it this one.
he gives me everyone because I went out the challenges competitive but he always sees, but see what I'm saying?
You gotta be aggressive for what you want.
Oh, that burn. He be like grabbing me, like he's trying to like dang, babe, like, give me some. No, y'all know why he's doing that? Because he don't want to touch me with his hands, and I don't want his hands touching me either.
My girl hit it on the nail.
But nah, for real, guys, we are so blessed. We're so thankful for all of you guys' support. Make sure that you guys are tuning in. Make sure you guys are liking these videos. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.